Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this cleaning brush. It charges in 4 hours. You can use it for 90 minutes continuously, and it has a maximum power of 25 watts. So the first thing that we see is this mesh bag right here. So you can put all the accessories right here, and it also comes with this part accessory. This has like a Velcro part. This is for these sponges right here. You just attach it right here, and this way you can use your brush with this one. It has that cable is USB normal on one side and USB-C on the other side. Also comes with this brush and this sponge with this one is also used, okay, right here. You can use it right here, this part, and you will be using this sponge to clean your surfaces. Here is another one. This is just to like take the dust off your furniture, for example. And also this another sponge. And these are two more brushes. This one is for the corners and this is for a smaller space, okay? And you have the power button right here. And here is the port for the USB connector. And here you will be connecting this cable to charge this part. And also, so these will be attached right here, and as you can see, it has like a screw side, and you will be just turning it so you can put it on. Okay, so it's ready now. Here it has two labels, on and off, and this way you just will be using these, so you can remove this accessory from here. Okay, and this one will be attached to this right here. You tap remove. For on, it means that you can pull it, and for off, it means that you have decided to leave it that way. Okay, so it is left at this size. If you want to resize it, just turn it to the on and resize it to your liking. You have these right here that will be used to hang it maybe in a screw in your door or your garage. Okay, so now we are going to attach the brush right here. It has these right here for every of the accessories or brushes, and here is the one that you will be attaching. Okay, you can use these for your bathroom floors, for your bathtub, for your walls, the bathroom walls, and you can use it also to clean surfaces like your kitchen with the sponges right here or any other type of furniture. Okay, you will be deciding which brush you will be using for each material. Okay, and on the back of the box there are some suggestions that you can use for your brushes and your sponges right here. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, but it also comes with these that it will be very, very nice for you to hang here, this part, and these you can stick it on to your wall. So let's just go and test it out. So we're gonna use the brush to clean our bathtub. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you is that I am using the whole stick, so you can actually reach the places that are farther, right? So for the bathtub, I like to use this brush. I'm gonna just to install it right here. As I was showing you, you can change or interchange any of the other brushes or sponges through these right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one right now. Here we are using it, and here is the battery indicator, and as you can see, turn on. Here is the lower motion, and here you can turn it on by tapping or clicking again. This is the higher intensity. Now let me show you. It will just go everywhere, and this is how it will help you to. I like to use this one because this way I don't have to bend as much, and I can cover and clean all
around the bathtub without a lot of effort. You just press a little bit so it can actually work okay. But for these corners or these spaces, I like to use the corner. I'm gonna show you which one. I'm gonna change this, the corner one. So this one is made for corners. I'm going to install it here, and you can choose either if you want to actually use this one, the extension, or not. So maybe you want to make it longer or not, or you just want to stick with this one. I'm going to show you how to use it right here. And even right here in this part, you can use this one. You're following me. I didn't turn it on. Okay, so now let's add the extension, this one, because I'm going to do the walls. Okay, so now let's start. Turn it on. Okay, and now you can see how nice it looks. Oh, it doesn't have any stain. Really, really nice. We were able to reach all the areas right here, which is amazing. All the corners, the walls, and the bathtub.